Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to cancel an Instagram subscription request. How you will be able to unsubscribe some person at all. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So, we open up the Instagram app. Next, in order to find the person we want to unsubscribe from, we can either go to search, and here in the search box, we can just type in the name of that person. Or if you already have that person as a friend, then we go to our profile. Here we can open the following. And this will list the people that we're subscribed to. And in order to unsubscribe, we just select the person. And then we click on the word following. And now we click on the word unfollow. As you can see, instantly the person is now not our friend. We're not subscribed to them. If you have just recently sent a friend request to a person who has not an open page, but a closed page, then you won't see the following. But that the person has been sent your friend request. And if you want to cancel that friend request, you also click on the following. Click and cancel the Instagram friend request for that person. If you want to unsubscribe from several people at once, then, unfortunately, this is not possible because Instagram does not have a function to unsubscribe from many people at once. So you either have to go to each person individually and unsubscribe, or if you requested to subscribe to closed profiles, then in the search engine, in the search box, you'd have to go to all those people, typing in their names to cancel your subscription request. I hope this video has been helpful to you. You have understood how you can cancel your subscription request on Instagram. Don't forget to put your likes, also write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.